Hey everybody, do you want instant access to every setting on your PC without having to jump through menus to get there? Well, I'm going to show you how to enter God mode right now. Let's go! Okay, so here we are in Windows and this is how you create God mode. I have this code already set. I will put it in the description for you. But basically, you're going to copy this code and then you need to make a new folder on your desktop. You can either do Control-Shift-N or right-click, New Folder. And then you're going to name the folder this code. Once you've done that, you'll see this icon. I'm going to move it into the center of my screen because why not? And when you open this icon, boom, there you go. Instant access to all of your settings without having to jump through a menu. Amazing. Okay, we did it. God mode achieved. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if it was, be sure to like and subscribe and ring the notification bell so you know when we release our next video. And until next time, thanks for watching here on Quick and Easy Quickies.